Ganda rin si Bella. Ganda niya mag-step po. Ay, naman yun! Oh my God, si Marina!
At the Mall of Asia Arena, and wow, what a way to start the show. Give it up for the aces of P-pop, BGYO. And of course, make some noise for all these 50 stunning ladies on stage who slayed that opening number, wearing masks by Big Cristobal. Way to go, girl. That was so much fun.
Ganda mo, Bea. Ayan o.
Of Miss Sammy's Occidental, home of Ascenso, and our provincial partner for this year's competition. Filipinas, I am Marina Summers. And tonight, I stand here not just as your host, but as someone who loves this stage just as much as you do. Welcome to the most talked about event in Philippine pageantry. I understand how important this evening is for the people here at the arena and of course the people watching at home. The stakes are high and everybody
Ganda anak ni ano, tingnan mo dito. Oh, ni Bea, tingnan mo. Oh, Paulina Vega ang dating. Oh.
when we elect our country's future leaders.
I love it!
Enjoy the conversation. Trust me when I say we can see all of your comments.
Sino yung katabi niya rito, anak? Ayan yung katabi.
So show all your love, show all your support, and don't forget to enjoy.
Kasi ito si yung ano, April Smith.
Because this night
Parang si Tarlac ko yata. Oh.
This night is all about power. So make some noise for this 50 remarkable women representing the best of what the Philippines has to offer. Let's make history as we crown a new Filipino winner. Once again, I'm Marina Summers, here to bring the heat and the fun. And with that, I welcome you to Miss Universe Philippines 2026!
Tingnan mo, oh, ang ganda niya kaysa kay ano. Nak, tingnan mo.
Ay, si Bella nga yung ano niya, tabi niya.
Oo. Ayan, oh, tingnan mo, oh. 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 Yes!
Commercial. Sundin ko mo rin yung ano.
The newborn queen! BMW!
Kaya nila.